Hello, welcome to TechMac Robo. This is new series of ESP32 cam. Let's first unbox it. This is ESP32 cam AI Thinker board, which is development board with OV2640 camera module, inbuilt flash lamp, Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth. It supports SD card and also very light in weight. It has SRAM of 520 KB and PSRAM of 4M. It supports UART, SPI, I2C and PWM interface. It has 9 I/O pins and it is compatible at very low power and go up to 6 mA at 5 volt in deep sleep mode. And also most importantly, it is compatible with Arduino. So we will program it by Arduino. This is ESP8266 module, which is also development board and support USB. But in ESP32 CAM, it does not support USB, so we have to program it either by USB to TTL converter or we can program it by Arduino. So we are programming it by Arduino. You can add library of ESP32 by two methods. First, you can download this zip file, go to tool, add this zip file, and another is go to the file, click on preference, copy the link. I will drop this link in the description, and then go to the tool board manager, search ESP32 and download it. Then click on Tool, select board. In our case, it is ESP32 Rover module. Then click on File, Example, ESP32 Camera Web Server. Here you have to put your Wi-Fi name and password. Then comment camera model Rover Kit and uncomment camera model AI Thinker. And then click on Upload button. After compiling, you have to click Reset button in the ESP32 cam. Then your program will start uploading. Click Reset button in ESP32 cam. No, firstly you have to remove GND and IO pin that you have shorted earlier, and after that you have to click Reset button and open your hotspot. It will give you a local IP address. Then go and search that IP address on the same network. This ESP32 cam also have face detection. You can detect face by enroll your face in it.